So this is the start of the National Forest in Louisiana. This is called Wynn Ranger District, Kisatchie National Forest. And you can see it's very pretty out here. It's cold outside, so I got the windows down. We'll get a better video later when I can get the camera out. But right now I'm just trying to head down the road and figure out this trail layout. We had just one bridge out, so I had to make a detour on the map. It took me about 10 miles out of the way, but I finally got here. So we're just starting the Louisiana Overland Adventure Trail, North Louisiana, northeast, central Louisiana. Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you know that we are starting our trip. This is the Louisiana Overland Adventure Trail that I created, and it's taken me about 40 minutes from my house to get to this point. And we're to the National Forest, and we're starting this trail, so it should be a fun day. We'll check in later as we can. Okay guys, it's about 47 degrees outside. It's pretty cool, and we are in the National Forest here in Louisiana. Just saw a nice deer that's across the road in front of me, and you can see the roads are really good. There are several roads that if you wanted to venture off and just actually do some off-roading, four-wheel drive type, which I will be exploring in the future. But for right now, it's cold out there, and this would be a great road to just get to those off the trail or off the road trails. So this is all part of the access. There's a campsite there and more roads you can see. They're everywhere through here. And this is just a beautiful part of Louisiana that most people don't ever see campsites. You can disperse camp just about anywhere. So just giving you a heads up. This is part of, and I am on, the Louisiana Overland Adventure Trail. So here's a really nice campground up here in the National Forest. I'm on the bridge right now. There's a nice pavilion over there. Of course, graffiti on the bridge. Stupid people. Anyways, you can't have nothing nice these days. People want to graffiti and tear up everything. So it's really nice. You can see I didn't get a picture of the campground, but it is really nice in here. It's good fishing, I'm sure. Some trails. Here's the road coming out of here. Good road so far. So this looks like a real trail now. We're off the Forest Service roads and heading up here, and we'll try it. See, I've got winch and everything, but don't want to get off too much. Never been going in here before, and on my own with a Ram 2500 heavy duty. Don't know what I'm going to get into, so I've got to be careful, especially solo. But we'll see. Thanks for watching. Well guys, I had my 360 Insta360 X4 ready to go, but I forgot my SD card. So forgive the hood. Let me put my seatbelt on. This is north central Louisiana. Wynn Ranger District of Kisatchie National Forest. You can see it's well maintained. I'm just on a cut through road, just going through the National Forest. I am on what I have built out on Onyx Rock Road, and I'm calling the Louisiana Overland Adventure Trail.